Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store and search for Ping Network Tools. Here you can see search option. Press on this. Now press on search bar and search for Ping Network Tools. Here it is. You have to install this. Now you have to press on open. Now press on next. Now click on agree and continue. Now select enable location. You have to select here while using the app. Here you can select sign me in or I'll think about it. I'm selecting here I'll think about it. Now press on scan current network. So now you can see here there are 4 devices who are using my Wi-Fi. So this is how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.